Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another topic, which is adding applications to Microsoft Intune environment. So we will be adding different kind of applications that is needed for this project, which is Android applications, Windows applications, Mac application, and iOS and iPad OS applications. First, we will start with the Android one. So let's add some of the Microsoft related applications to Android list here in the Microsoft Intune. The application we are going to add from Google Play, managed Google Play app. Select. And here in the search bar, we will be looking for Outlook. Click. And I'm gonna select, well, for adding applications from Manage Google Play, you just need to search here, and it's like very straightforward. You need to just select first and then click sync. It will be syncing here. Manage Google Play sync in progress. So once it's complete, it will be visible here. Let me refresh. Here we have Microsoft Outlook. We have successfully added Microsoft Outlook from Manage Google Play to our Intune app list for Android apps. I will be doing the same for the rest of the Android apps. Well, I have already successfully added all the applications that is needed. For example, Microsoft Excel, OneDrive, Outlook, Teams, and Word. So this is how we are adding applications like from Manage Google Play to Microsoft Intune environment.